In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box of your Epson WorkForce 7820 printer. First step is to lift the printer from this side. So there is a handle. You will get access to the ink chamber. On this side, on the left hand side, you will see there is a box of different color. That is actually our maintenance box. You just lift from here and then you can just take it out. So slide it and take it out. That's the maintenance box, and it has a chip on the side. We can see ink pad is healthy. There is nothing wrong with that, so we can still use it. Now in case you get a message on the screen to replace it, then you definitely have to replace the maintenance box. So to place it back, just place here and slide it in, then move it to the forward and close from here. So this way we can replace the maintenance box of this printer. Thanks for watching.